visit. Yes, ulit. Do you believe for students and parents who are here tonight? By the way, I am free to expose my asset. To expose my asset. And share of my liability with my partner. And also, to disclose my owner's dignity. That's all. And once again, good evening. Once again, good evening.
Now my next question. How do you wild your idle time?
By the way, understand about the question. I'm sorry to tell you, sir. I'm sorry to tell you, board of judges. I'm sorry to the GPS. Hello, GPS. Hello. Sorry, sir. Faculty. I have no idea. I repeat. I am so.
Okay. Now my next question. In what way do you want to die?
Pero hapon ko pa na to. I want to die with accounting books beside me.